Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about some do's and don'ts while teaching your children to talk. Keeping these in mind, you can facilitate better language development in your children. As parents or caregivers, we play an important role in teaching our children to talk. First, play with your children. Play and don't have an intention of teaching them something while playing with them. Enjoy the time spent with them. Tea. I'm scooping some tea powder and putting it inside, mixing it. You also made some food for me. Let's make some yummy food. Nice. You put it inside the plate. 2. Teach children language with songs. Sing along with them and teach them rhymes which involves language or any animal sounds or things around them. They will really enjoy it. Wheels on the bus go round and round. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. 3. Teach children some actions or gestures while communicating. Children, while trying to communicate, might not have a mode to communicate which will be difficult for them. Teaching them actions or simple gestures will be easy for them to connect with the next person. This one? This one? Yes, okay. 4. Involve your child in daily core activities. You can always take your child along with you while you are doing some work. Give them also some work so they can have better learning experience and you can provide them the best language learning environment. Five. Develop curiosity in children. When your child needs something, you can hide it or keep it away from them so that you give an opportunity for them to request the thing. Always give choices. When the child needs something, you can show 2 objects and ask them what they need. This will make it easier for the child to understand. You want chair or spoon? Spoon. You want a spoon? Take it. Now that we have looked into the do's, let's move on to the don'ts while teaching language to children. First one, avoid asking too many questions to the children. Avoid always telling your child to repeat after you and using the frame, say this. Don't teach academic skills first. Give them more realistic language learning environment. You should not be the one speaking repeatedly. Instead, pause and give time for your child to respond. Don't be your child's interpreter or facilitator every time. Let them ask for what they need. Don't use only picture books while teaching children to talk. Instead, you can play a lot of games like turn-taking games,